Check out the fit though, man. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. You know what I'm saying? But check my ride out though. Come on, number down.
Damn! Stand up. I'm from Zone 6.
Alright. What's up, y'all, man? I'm back with another video, man. So today supposed to been the what's the word? Supposed to been like supposed to went and got a haircut today, but my barber wasn't in the shop today, so I'm just giving y'all another moto vlog. I don't know if y'all watched the other one. I'm just gonna keep dropping back to back, back to back, back to back. Y'all just keep liking, comment, and subscribe, man. That's about it, man. Shit. Today was just supposed to be like a little day in the life of me, but today I'm gonna give y'all the moto vlog. Today it's a nice day. It's supposed to rain up in Georgia for about 2 whole weeks, but today it decided to be sunny and cloudy. So shit, I'm taking advantage of this shit, man. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this shit raw and cut, man. About to get on the expressway, see how fast I can get that baby up to. I've been stopping at 160. That's the fastest I can get up to without getting too close to nobody. But yeah, y'all just pay attention and learn how to ride, baby. Don't try the stuff that I do at home. Straight up. Y'all gonna see some crazy stuff. You know, people in Atlanta cannot drive. I'm just gonna keep it honest. They cannot drive, so I gotta do everything in my power to stay safe out here. You know, so I try not to go too fast. Look at them. I can't help it. But let me know if y'all like this point of view, or y'all want to go on a helmet. If y'all want to go on a helmet, I'm probably have to get me some more helmet mounts, or end up buying me a new helmet, because I got the Icon Air Flight. And you know, if y'all know what helmet that is, the visor goes over the whole front chin. And I wasn't thinking when I got it. I just got it because I liked the graphics. But in all actuality, I love the helmet though. A lot of people say it was windy, but honestly, I don't even hear no wind right now, honestly. I mean, you can hear it a little bit, but honestly, it's kind of it's a tight seal. I be talking about right there. You gotta be safe, you know. You can't panic when shit like that happen. You cannot panic. You gotta react. That was a close one. It was, you know what I'm saying? It was my fault, and it wasn't my fault because I was going too fast around now. But they just, people not double looking. They just look one time and go, looking one way, you know. But yeah, man, this vlog gonna be cool and fun. Y'all just sit back and enjoy the ride, and I'ma just cruise, man. I might give y'all a story time, man. I'm finna cut the camera. Alright, man, I'm back, man. So I'm gonna show y'all how I like to get on the expressway. When I get on the expressway, I normally stay in second gear and moan. A lot of people say third, but I normally, myself, I prefer second gear and moan on the expressway, because I like the torque. I get more torque, and I'm able to get out at a faster rate than just in third gear. You get torque there too, but I like second, you know what I'm saying? Because cars, they can't see you. But I'm finna see where I can get this baby up to. Hopefully ain't nobody gonna act crazy. Like, look at them. Like, they just do crazy stuff out here, man. Crazy stuff, man. See, I like more than in second. probably more than a second, but for some reason, around 5,000 RPM. I got the 170, but I ain't even really hit the gas that hard. I'm excited. Hey, brother. I love it. But yeah, man, so I got it. That's my new top speed. It look like 172, 3, 4-ish. I'm gonna see when I edit the video though. Hopefully the camera captured it. Hopefully it caught it, man. I don't know. I'm just about to really check. Look at this dickhead right here. What the fuck they stopping on brakes? You see what I'm saying? Like, they just do dumb shit. They see a whole motorcycle behind them. They hitting on brakes. Ain't nobody in front of them. Like, God, leave. That's how wrecks and shit be happening. That's how you gotta drive out here. It's either your life or their life. And I love my life, baby. I love my life, baby. I love my life, baby. Honestly. Oh shit. Oh shit, got there. GoPro don't got that slung off the shit. Shit. I gotta get out there, motherfucker. Hold on, y'all. GoPro don't slung off. I gotta get off. Gotta exit or something. Shit. I gotta change. It's alright, I gotta reposition it. Damn it, fool. I'm glad I caught that mother. It would have been a lot of money gone. Almost $400-500 gone, baby. Sheesh. Sheesh. Cord right around that bit too, bro. I gotta change that bit. Hold on. I gotta get off the guy. I gotta get off somewhere. Screen protector coming off and shit. Well, at least I got some good content. Honestly. I can't get it right though. I gotta get off. I gotta get off on Riverdale. I gotta get off right here on Riverdale, man. I'm finna take this GoPro off, man, and I don't know if it look like it's still recording, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that GoPro off. I probably got a good little, probably almost 10 minutes of footage. If y'all seen that GoPro.
Nigga, I'm from zone 6. Yeah. I'm from zone 6, nigga.